Hey, it's Marcus here. Today I wanted to give you the most important tip on entering open calls, especially the draw dot ones. So, the number one tip is read the instructions.
Read the instructions.
For every open call, I will actually put the instructions in the open call page. So if you don't follow the instructions, that means that you're entering the wrong open call. When you submit that illustration to me, guess what? I will immediately put it in the I won't consider pile. So if that's the case, you are actually wasting your time and energy because I won't look at your artwork for the second time because you didn't follow the instructions. So now let's talk about the draw.open calls. The main reason for me to create those open calls is for you to explore your styles, develop your illustration styles, and also push your creativity envelope. I really don't care whether you are a new artist or you are an established fashion illustrator. All I want to see is your creative ideas and how you use your skills to execute those ideas. And I'm not opposed to runway illustrations. Don't get me wrong, I am not against that at all. But please don't send me a runway illustration with just a look and a white background. That is not creative. That is just lazy. If you plan to submit a runway illustration to the open call, I only have one question for you, and the question is, why would people want to choose your work over an original photo? You should be able to explain it in your artwork. So after reading the instructions, if you don't think this is the right open call for you, then please don't enter it. Don't just try to impress me by entering the open call when this is not the best fit for you. If you do that, you are actually creating the opposite effect. First of all, you are not going to produce a high quality artwork, and secondly, you will never want to put that artwork in your portfolio because you are not proud of it. I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to see more amazing works from this community. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. If you find this tip to be useful, make sure you give a like to this video so that more people can see it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the bell notifications so that you know when I will have the next video out. With that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.